Hello guys, welcome to your training. Now in this training, we're going to be talking about the LCM and OLED triage process. What you need to understand about the triage process is that it's a very, very important, actually the beginning part of the refurb program. In order to really have a successful refurb program, you must first understand how to triage properly the material that qualifies or does not qualify for the refurb process. In doing this, you have to understand quite a few things. First thing you need to understand is the process flow. You need to have a very good understanding of the triage process flow and understand what the triage process is all about, which is what we're going to be talking about in this particular training. You also need to be able to understand how the assembly works. That's OLED and LCMs. And last but not least, understanding how the LCM and OLED work is going to help you guys understand better the defects, which is what you need to identify so you can properly classify what material should be refurb and what material should not be refurb. So that's what this training is going to do from beginning to end, is help you guys understand the process flow, help you guys understand better the assembly and how it works, which is going to in turn help you guys understand the defects and help you classify and qualify or disqualify the material for the refurb program or process. So with that being said, what we're going to be doing in the next video is helping you guys understand exactly what you can expect to learn in this training, step by step, so you know what you're going to know at the end of this training. All right. This is William Agnew. If you guys have any questions, please let me know. And if not, I'll see you guys in the next part of the LCM OLED triage process training.